In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Patreon without credit card or PayPal. If you want to support a creator on Patreon, but you do not want to use a traditional credit card or PayPal, there are still a few practical options available. The exact payment methods you see can depend on your device, your location, and what Patreon currently supports in your region, so it helps to check carefully during checkout. One of the easiest alternatives is Apple Pay. If you are browsing Patreon and checking out on an iPhone or iPad, Apple Pay may appear as an available payment option. This usually works best when your device and region support it, and when Apple Pay is already set up on your phone or tablet. If you see it at checkout, you can simply select it and complete the payment using the wallet connected to your Apple device. Another option is Venmo. In some supported regional and mobile setups, Venmo can show up as a direct digital wallet choice during checkout. If it appears, you can choose it instead of using a standard card or PayPal. This is a convenient option for people who already keep funds in Venmo or prefer managing subscriptions through that wallet. You can also use virtual or prepaid cards. This is helpful if you do not want to connect your main banking card directly to Patreon. A virtual credit card can often be purchased online through a digital card provider and then used on Patreon just like a regular Visa or MasterCard. In that case, you would enter the card details into Patreon as a standard payment method. A similar option is a prepaid debit card. You can buy a reloadable prepaid Visa or MasterCard from a local store, register it online using your billing zip code if required, and then add it to Patreon in the payment methods section. This can be a good solution if you want more control over spending or prefer to separate subscription payments from your main account. One important thing to keep in mind with prepaid cards is recurring billing. Patreon memberships often renew automatically, so make sure the prepaid card you choose allows recurring charges. Some single load or more restrictive prepaid cards may work for the first payment but fail when the next monthly renewal comes around. So overall, your best alternatives are Apple Pay, Venmo, virtual credit cards, and prepaid debit cards. Before completing your membership, double check that the option you choose is supported in your region and can handle subscription renewals properly. That way, you can support your favorite creators without needing a traditional credit card or PayPal.